Hello everyone, today I'm going to prepare fried rice and roasted chicken. I have my chicken already cut. To prepare it for roasting with my air fryer. So before then, I have to prepare my pan on the fire to steam the chicken so that all the ingredients can go in very well. But it's not going to be cooked for a long time. So I have to add my seasoning cube with my mixed chopped onions and pepper, curry, ginger powder and garlic powder with salt. So I will allow it to steam for some time, but not cooking too much. So after I finish mixing it, I have to be turning it to make sure it's well cooked. Turning it. Then I'm done with that. I have to take it out, ready for my air fryer. So I have some sauce so that I can get a very delicious taste. I mixed sauce already. So I have to add it in my air fryer, as you can see. So it will be ready in 20 minutes. So I have oil on my pan, ready for my fried rice. So I add my seasoning cube on the oil, my curry, my onions for the aroma. So I have to stir it very well. So adding my mixed carrots and green beans. So I have to stir it very well. You can see it's taking it out of this pan, so ready for my rice to fry it. So I just start stirring it. Then I added water. Then I have to check on my air fryer. My chicken is ready. You can see the rice is done, so I have to add my carrot mix. My fried rice and chicken is ready to eat. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and thumbs up this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.